It is one day after Oliver's first birthday. Henry's basketball hoop from Christmas featured prominently. I missed. Henry's got cool hair going on.
I'm in a rolling mood. I'm gonna go off to dinner. Where's Dada? Where is he? Get your balance. No big deal. No big deal. Totally cool, dude. Totally cool. Get the camera. Oh, you gonna throw that to Daddy?
Oh.
Don't take it out of his hands. Please give it back to him. One. Thank you. He wants to play with you. Can you? Don't take it out of his hands.
Here's the ball.
Wait, let him give it to you. Let go. Can you give it back? Let him be. He's telling you to let him be. Oh, rolling it to brother. That's nice. Ollie, can you throw the ball to brother? Give the ball to brother, honey. Throw it to brother. Thank you. And Henry throws it to Ollie. Oh, good job. Let him roll it to you.
Buff.
I think that's the ball that you put in your used to massage your feet.
My, thank you, honey.
Ball to mama. Ball to Ollie. Ball to brother. Oh, ball to Ollie. Ball to daddy. Ball to mama. Wait, Henry, let him do it. You already know. You know how you know. Ball to brother. Now we're moving on to bigger and better things. Want to do some spinning? Want to do some spinning with Lucky?
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Time out. No.
No, thank you, Henry.
No licking brother. No.
Nope.
No.
Mm-mm.
One. No licking.
Henry,
Forehead.
please stop.
One. Do you want to spin in the turtle shell? Want to spin? Put it over your mouth. Give it to brother. Come spin. Over. Face.
I'm gonna
You ready?
do this.
Watch out, brother's right behind you. You want to spin brother, Oliver?
Oh, yes.